What's up guys, I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be part 2 of the print on demand step-by-step store that we're going to be making. So in this video I'm going to be talking about the startup cost. I'm going to be showing you guys some designs. I'm going to be talking about the marketing plan, the influencers I plan to use, the ads, all about that good stuff. And we're going to keep progressing on the store little by little. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow my Instagram, TikTok, and let's go. So startup costs, I only would have 2 startup costs because of print on demand you don't have to buy any inventory up front and keep it in your house, for example. So it would just be the Shopify and the domain, but the marketing comes later. So the startup cost would be $29.99 for Shopify, and I bought my domain for 99 cents, but it came out with taxes to a total of $217. And the domain is motivatedhustlers.shop. Make sure to obviously go check it out, and that would be my startup costs. Okay, so some of you may be asking yourself what I'm gonna do for marketing, how much I'm gonna spend, what I'm gonna do, where I'm gonna promote it. And the very simple answer is that I'm gonna spend $0 because I'm gonna promote it on my audience to TikTok on Motivated Hustlers, and the startup cost obviously would be 0. I'm gonna get some friends to post it on their TikTok. I'm gonna get some connections from TikTok, some influencers, and in the long term I obviously plan to do some TikTok ads, some Facebook ads, and promote it wherever I could. Maybe send it to some more influencers. So that would be my marketing. Okay, so I'm logged into the store right now. Obviously there's not much done to it. It doesn't look very appealing. So today we're gonna connect the domain. I'm gonna change the theme so it looks very good. I'm gonna change the color patterns, the fonts, and I'm gonna remove the Powered by Shopify button. And obviously I need to finish these that I will do off cam, so it's not that boring. So let's get started. To connect the domain, you're gonna have to go on home. You're gonna scroll a little bit down until it says add a domain, and then it's gonna say add domain. And then obviously this does not look very professional, so we're gonna connect existing domain. We're gonna type the domain, so motivated.shop. Connect automatically. There you go. Connect. I've connected. Close. Boom. So I think it did. It's verifying the connection. Alright, there we go. It's connected. As you guys can see, now we have motivatedhustlers.shop instead of this one that I will remove in just 1 second. Okay, so we just have to change the primary one to let's do motivatedhustlers.shop. Okay, so now it is primary domain that we're gonna use. So instead of it being motivatedhustlers.myshopify, which is very unprofessional, it's motivatedhustlers.shop. Okay, so the theme I'm going to be using today is going to be called Boundless, which has optimized for large images, slideshow with fading effects, sticky navigation, and single product galleries. I've seen a couple YouTube videos reviewing it. It's the best free one for a clothing store, which is what I'm doing. So I'm going to add it to the theme library, and then I'm going to prioritize it instead of the regular Dawn, which is right there. There you go, it says just added. So what we're going to do is actions, publish. We need to publish it. Yes, please change the current theme. There you go, theme published. Okay, so now we go on to customize. Okay, so now we're here. So now we just have to do header, slideshows, everything. So I'm not gonna bore you guys. I'm actually going to speed up the process, and I'm going to get back to you guys when I finish this, and I'm gonna explain what I did and how I did it. Okay, so essentially what I'm doing right now is getting a feel of the website, changing the colors, see what colors match. And right now I'm just changing the announcements, letting them know that they could get 5% discounts. And I'm actually going to placeit.net so I could get my mockups. This is the free mockup website that I told you guys about, and that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so here I finally found my first mockup that I really like, so I could put on the slideshow on my website. Okay, so all I'm doing right now is I'm getting the images for the first slide. I still have to update a little bit, but I'm just getting a couple images so I can show all the designs in the first slide, and I'm gonna get back to you guys when I finish. This is what it's looking like so far. The first, use code HUSTLE for a discount. I have to fix this, so give me 1 second. Add checkout, and then we have a couple images here. I really like the mock-ups, so we're gonna keep adding on to the website. Okay, so here I'm just adding a collection, calling it Motivated Hustlers Collection 1, and adding a description so that people can find the products more easily. Okay, as you guys can see, I have put my logo, use code HUSTLE for a discount at checkout. I've put these mock-ups that I really like, and I've put a little bit about me and why I started this, and then I added the products, but I'm not done just yet. So I'm gonna go to theme settings, and I'm actually gonna change the fonts to something that matches more, because I don't really like this and it does not look that appealing to me. So I think I found a pretty good one that I think matches the fonts I use in my videos, or here for example. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. If I find a better one, obviously I would let you guys know. No, okay, so we're actually going to use this one. We're going to select, and then boom. So we have changed the fonts now, we've changed the theme, and yeah. Okay, so right now you guys see how it says powered by Shopify. This does not look very professional when people are buying. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you guys how to change that. So you're gonna go on online store. You're actually going to duplicate, because we don't want, if we mess up the code, just in case, we don't want it to, you know, ruin everything that we've done. So it's copying right now. Gonna let it copy. And while we're waiting for it to copy, guys, make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe while you're at it. Wait for it to load. We're gonna scroll down to sections, footer liquid, and then we're gonna press Control F and put powered. Okay, so you see right here, powered by Shopify. We're actually going to erase that. Delete file. No, definitely not delete file. Erase that, save. We're going to go back and open the online store. And boom, right here, this is very nice. So now it's gonna not say it. Okay, so as you guys can see, this episode we added the announcements bar, we added the header, we added the slideshows, I changed the coloring, the themes, I added the domain obviously, and then I added this background, this little story of why I created this, and I changed all the markups so they look way more neater, way more organized. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this episode, and next episode is actually going to be the last part. I'm going to literally just summarize everything I did. I'm going to finish this off camera, so I'm going to summarize what I did, everything. I'm going to show you guys the store. I'm actually going to open it on camera, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. Peace out.